Hello, and welcome back to Ross Taylor Woodworks. Today we're going to sand and get our tabletop here ready for finishing. This is an antique tabletop from a banquet table. And after stripping, we have some little bit of residue from the old finish and some uneven color. And we just want to do a light sanding. Just to even out the color. The wood is nice and smooth, so we don't need to do a heavy. We've got lots of nice little distress. We want to preserve all the distress and patina. Getting little bits of grit off. Now we're ready for a second pass. Then once again 150 grit for the second pass, and we're going to stop at 150. And now we're going to blow our dust off again. Okay, just to review, first off we started with 120 grit in the orbital sander and just did a light pass with that. Our second pass was also in the orbital sander, it was 150 grit. Did that with the orbital sander as well. Then we dusted off and just did our final pass with 150 by hand, going with the grain.